Hi and welcome. This is JamJar43 for a unboxing video of the Hanoverian command pack from Warlord games. So it's quite busy. So what I'm going to do is show you what's inside the box. So first of all, you have the flagpoles. Two the drapes, if they're called drapes, I don't know what they're called, but they do. This guy is a bit bent. I'm going to put him down. To show he's got backpack. No head on it. You've got the heads, which I'm not going to do on clean them up and do them on there. Another person. And you've got Mr. Flag Bearer. Oh, he can stand up, bless him. He can stand up. Two more heads. See if I can get a couple of these to stand up. Well, he sort of stood up. So you've got four, and you've got five. He won't probably stand up. I think he's an officer. Oh, no, he did. Excellent. And then you've got the drum, the bassline drummer. The awesome person who we like to call bassline the drummer. He can stand up as well. Beautiful. And there you go. There is the made in Great Britain. So I'll be doing this. See how I get on. I've got a lot of preparation to do, and it'd be quite funky. So I'm going to get back and do some historical stuff. One of my projects is to get the Hanoverian, quite a large Hanoverian army done. Ready for my new Napoleonics for a change, something history, as I'm into my ships at the moment. So a bit of history, bit of upping my painting rate, and having something to do along with everything else I've got to do on the table on the hobby kitchen. It would be nice to do. So thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, definitely subscribe, get me up to 50 if you can. That would be handy, so I can do some lives, and I will see you in an update to this and all my other videos coming, and there's quite a few coming. So bye bye, have a lovely evening, and I'll catch you later. Goodbye. Ba-ding.